So this was my project I was working on I worked for the GSoC 2023. So introducing two-factor authentication for omni-channel ecosystem. So as we can see, this is our team. We have Renato, Becker, Murtaza, Patrawala, and that's me, Disha. So I would really like to thank Renato, as his insights were really grateful, and the things he told, like, that was really grateful for the project. And he looked at the project at a very different angle than what we were doing. And next, I would really like to thank Murtaza. He was really great during the period. I would like to say, like, he's the main mind behind this, because he used to correct me every time I used to go wrong. There were like some methods that he used to told me, like, this should be done this way. So yeah, he helped me a lot during the project. So yeah, I would really like to thank my mentors. So now I would like to start with the project. So first of all, about omni-channel, like what is the omni-channel platform? So omni-channel basically has the ability to talk to our customers and website visitors. So we can talk on any channel, like regardless. We can chat on live chat widget, or we can chat even from the social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, any app as well. So we have this omni-channel apps as well. So this provides us like a high quality customer experience. So why we need authentication is this, in this. So that was the uh, was the main issue. So as this is open to all, so this creates a need for authentication. Since since it's open to all, it is also open to the spams and bots. So this creates our platform. If as our platform gets attacked by any attackers, like and spams and all, then our agent and our platform will hang and just uh, provide unnecessary issues. So for that, we need authentication. So we'll quickly move on to the demo to understand more what's in the project. So as we have this chart over here, as you can see, like right now, this is in preview mode. So we are like right now we have just implemented the manual authentication, but in future we will also do, like, before even routing to the agent, the chat will automatically get verified, and then it will be move on to the agent. So for that, we have introduced two-factor authentication. So we have this verification button. As soon as you will click that, you can see a verification. If it will first check if the guest email is present or not. If it's not present, it will first ask for his or her email. And just a minute. Here I can provide. So right now it will send the authentication on my. So I've received the authentication code. So this is the authentication code I've provided. So I will try. I will not just give it right away. I will just give any wrong one, and it will just say, sorry, this is not a valid email. Provide another input. So we can go over with that. And if we provide, like, if we have set a limit in the, we have an option in which in the settings we can just add a number of invalid times this input can be taken. So if a user enters a time invalid input more than, like, right now it's default that to 3, but you can change, the admins can change that. It's completely configurable. Then after that time, it will be changed. So if I do that after 3 times, our chat will automatically be closed, and the user will not be able to do that. So we'll just add that the right one, and we see that this is already verified. So we'll get a verification tick over there. Also, during the verification process, the chat console will be hidden for the agents, so they can't write anything over there. So this was like how the complete authentication process goes. First, they will check for email, then we'll send an email, then we'll send the OTP on that registered email, and then we can do. Like, this was for the live chat widget. Like for the live chat, suppose we have something like this, and even if I provide a wrong email, it will not give me. So I have to provide something. I will get an email. I can also send recent OTP, because right now that's like the UI. These are the UI kit buttons which we are using for the recent OTP. So right now it's not there in the live chat widget. So will that where we have to manually type, we can manually type recent OTP. Here we can just click on the button that will automatically send that as a message. So this is how it works from the omni-channel apps. We have that button and we can set them right. in the similar way, it will process for the apps as well. So this was the complete process, how it works. So we will go over in the presentation again and we'll move forward from there. So in the demos, what are all the challenges we faced for this one? So first of all, when I started this, the code base is really huge, and I feel to get this project done, we need the complete understanding of this omni-channel system, omni-channel code which is there. So that was one part which was really like challenging for me to understand that code base and find what all I need. So, and the next challenge I faced was for that recent OTP button, because that was in the UI kit playground. So I have to understand that process too, like how this UI kit buttons work, and how that button functionality works, how we can send that in an app. So to understand that, we have to understand the intercommunication of the different omnichannel apps too. So that was the other challenge I faced. But yeah, again, thanks to my mentor, they really helped me in this thing. Now, I know this slide should be in the beginning, like what motivated my selection for this project. But yeah, I think like after this, it will make a little bit sense, like why I selected for this project. So when I started with the while exploring that Rocket.Chat code base, I was not able to, like in one gas was able to detect like where is this omni-channel conversations and everything's are coming from. So for that reason, I planned like I somehow figure out how this omni-channel works, and I was able to go with the live chat widget. So that motivated me. Like if I can go this deeper in the project, I should opt for this so that I can work something on this one. So because this is not visible in the first glance, so for finding this, I got a clear glimpse. Like okay, I can try going for this too. So yeah, this was my motivation for selecting this project. And thank you so much. Like we comes to an end, and for these are my contacts if anyone wants to connect anytime. Thank you so much. So, any questions? Anyone?
Just wondering if you can talk a bit more on the next steps for the project.
On the tech stack?
Next steps on the project.
Okay, next steps. Yeah, for the next step, we are planning to implement like right now we only have we have to click a button to go for that. So anyways, our agents are getting involved. So and even we have like extended this project, so we can add the automation thing. So for the automation, what we will do is like even before routing it to the live chat agent, because right now the only thing the live chat agent is doing is just clicking on that button. Other things they are automatically done. The verifying that email part, OTP part. So what we are planning to do is before even making them to the visible to the live chat agent, we want that it should be verified, and then only it should be visible to the it should the live chat agent. But we also want to keep this option as configurable to the admin. Like they should have an option, either they want that this to be an automatic process, or they can do it manually too. So we will provide both the option in the setting. We like basically to have more control over this process. So like right now also for the other feature process, what we are planning is like right now it just closes the chat when they finds it that after 3 attempts or the number of attempts they have entered, the chat automatically closes after number of wrong attempts. So for that also, like we are planning, we will give this configuration setting to the admin, what they want it to be done. Either they want it to transfer it to a certain different department, or either they want to close the chat, like because sometimes maybe there can a problem can arise and the chat closes is not should be an option also. So we again want to give this option to admins, whether they want to close the chat or they want just to select that to a different department. So yeah, that's all for the next step for this project.
That's awesome. Very, very impressive presentation and grasp of the subject matter. Congratulations. And is it merged already? Is this something that every one of our users are using, or is it going to be merged? What state is it in right now, the project?
Right now, the manual authentication process is almost completed. Only one feature branch is left to be merged with that. But we are planning to merge it in the main branch only after completing the authentication or automatic authentication process. So because after that it makes more sense. So it will be
Okay.
more useful after. So like that's our main plan. Like before, first we will complete with the automatic one, and then we will.
Yeah. So the main thing is what I wanted to highlight is this text-based authentication. It works with the reason we went with this is this approach works with all our channels. So whether the conversation originates from either WhatsApp, Instagram, or live chat widget, it will work. The same mechanism will work. Text-based mechanism will work for all the message channels, all our input points. So that's like and it's like and that's why we went with the text-based approach. So you send a text message in the message, and then text message in the channel, and then we get a reply from the user as a text message. So so that's something unique that I saw. I don't think I have seen this feature in any other omnichannel solutions that we have, any competitors that we have. So this is something unique that we saw, and hopefully it's something like it catches up. Like people try to implement this in other channel as well. So yeah, that's an unique challenge, unique solution that we kind of we thought about. And then obviously the last piece of the puzzle is still pending. Like we wanted, right now we have to manually initiate the authentication process. And like Disha mentioned, we want to automate this. As soon as a new chat gets started, we want to automatically verify if the chat is assigned. As a chat gets started, we want to process automatically, and after that and only that, we transfer the verified chats to an online agent. So yeah, that's the future plan, and thankfully we got an extension from GSoC to work on this. So in the coming weeks, we will have this feature up and ready. And yeah, that's it.